Come, listen. Did you hear that? When I unscrew the gas cap, it made a popping sound. In this case, you take your car to a repair shop. They will ask you to add fuel accelerant. Don't listen to their nonsense. Today I will tell you why. It's this activated carbon canister solenoid valve. We have it on every car. If it breaks, the steam in the fuel tank cannot be discharged. It gets clogged. Therefore, when refueling, the refueling nozzle can easily trigger the anti-overflow function. In the morning when you start your car when it's cold, you will smell gasoline. Also, the car consumes a lot of fuel. Actually, go to the auto parts store and buy a new one for a few dollars and replace it. The problem will be solved. Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn car knowledge every day.